This is the continuation of wrap top part 2. So we'll be learning today how to cut and sew a balloon sleeve. This is my fabric and I fold it into two. Then I will fold again this way into two. Now it's folded into four. One, two, three, and 4 is folded into 4. So what I will be doing next is to draw a starting line. This is my starting line. Now I'm going to mark my cape height, which is 4 inches. I mark my 4 inches like this. After that, I will use my ruler to connect the points together. I connect it like this. This is my cape height. Now I'm going to mark my sleeve length, which is 21 inches. My sleeve length is 21 inches. I'm going to mark my 21 inches here like this. 21 inches. Then I will add 1.5 inch for ease. This is my 21 inches and connect like this. The round armhole measurement I'm working with, divide by 2. Because I am going to do gathers or little bit of pleats, I will use 13 inches. Then I will connect with a straight ruler from the center sleeve to this point here. I will be doing a small pleat or gathers on the top part of the sleeves. I will divide this line into two like this. I will divide it into two like this and mark. From this point here, I will go up by 0.5 inch and connect with a straight ruler like this. From cape height to this midpoint here. Then from this point to the center of the sleeve. This will become my back. So now I'm going to use my curve ruler to curve the front as well. This will become my front. Can you see how I curve it? This will become my front. I am almost done with the sleeve. So what I'm going to do next is to connect from this point to the hem. Okay, so I'm going to connect like this because I will going to use the elastic at the down part of the sleeve to form that puff or to give that balloon sleeve. Okay, so now I'm going to use my scissors and cut out like this. I'm cutting it out like this. I cut the side of the sleeve. I'm going to check my 1.5 inch seam allowance and cut it out. I leave my 1.5 inches seam allowance. I'm going to open my sleeves. I open my sleeves like this. Then I will use my chalk to mark the front and the back. I'm going to use my chalk. This is the front and this is the back. I'm going to use my scissors to trim out a little bit from the front like this. This is the sleeves. This is the sleeves. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to show you how I will pleat my sleeves. I'm going to pleat it while sewing. I will pleat it like this. Just a little bit. So I will pleat it like this while sewing, okay? And it depends of what you want. So you can do even gathers, but I don't know exactly what I am going to do, but I think I will do both. One sleeve, a little bit of pleats, and the other one, of course, a little bit of gathers. So quickly, let's move to the sewing machine and do the stitch. After that, I will show you the result. So this is the sleeve. This is the sleeve. You can do whatever you like. You can do gathers or pleats. It depends of what you want. Okay. So I am going to run a gathers stitch on the top of the sleeve and pull it. Okay. I'm going to run a gather stitch on the top of the sleeve. Then I will pull it like this. Hope you understand what I am doing. This is the stitch I'm doing on the top side of the sleeve. I'm done doing it. Now I'm going to pull it. I pull it. I pull it like this. Can you see? I pull it like this to form gathers. I pull it like this. Another sleeve, I think I will do pleat on the other sleeve. So this is it. I'm done doing my gathers on one sleeve, and another one I'll do pleat, and then I'll show you the end result. So this is it. This is the sleeve that have pleat. Is this one. It's almost the same thing, and it's beautiful as well, like the gathers. This is the gathers as well. Can you see? This is the sleeve that have gathers. So I will hem down like this, where I will going to insert the elastic, which is 1/2 inch width, and the length is 8.5 inches. 8.5 inches. So I will going to hem down like this. Then I will insert my elastic. Okay, I'm hemming down like this. I first fold 1/2 inch, then 1 inch. Okay, remember I left 1.5 inch seam allowance. Okay, so I hemming down like this. Then I will show you how it will look like. After that, I will insert my elastic. So I'm done sewing. I cut out the thread. This is it. Can you see? Can you see how it look like? So I repeat the same thing on the other side of the sleeve as well. Now I'm going to insert my elastic inside here using a safety pin. Okay, so this is it. You can see what I am doing. I insert my elastic inside, then I will use my pin to hold the elastic down like this. After that, I will repeat the same thing on the other side of the sleeve as well. I'm going to use my pin and hold it down like this, and on the other side as well, because I'm going to check and see if it's fine for me. Then I will repeat the same thing on the other sleeve as well. Okay, so I arrange it well, then I will use my tape measure to check if it's fine for me. Okay, I see it's fine. Then I will going to hold it down with the pin on the side of the sleeve. Okay, I will hold down with the pin on the two sides of the sleeve, because I'm going to stitch the sides. So I hold down with the pin like this. Can you see? I hold down like this. So right side will face right side. So I'm going to use again my tape measure and check if the armhole is fine for me. I see it's 9.5 inches. Means I will stitch with 1/2 inch and 9 inches. 9 inches is my round armhole measurement divided by 2. Now I stitch the side with 1/2 inch. I stitch with 1/2 inch, then I will repeat the same thing, exactly the same thing on the other side of the sleeve. Then I will show you the result. Okay, so this is it. So I will repeat the same thing as well on the other side. Okay, I cut out the thread, then I'm going to turn it outside. Okay, this is the outside of the sleeve. Can you see? Can you see how beautiful it is? Can you see how it looks? So what I'm going to do next is to bring my wrap top. This is my wrap top. Then I will attach my sleeve on it. Okay, I will attach my sleeve on the armhole. This is the sleeves. This is the sleeve, and is in the right side. Okay, so it's in the right side. Right side will face right side. I'm going to put my sleeve inside like this. Right side of the wrap and right side of the sleeve will match on the side seam area. Okay, this is the side seam area. You need to match the side seam area like this. Use your pin and pin it down. As you can see, I'm using my pin and hold it down. Okay, after that I will going to stitch round like this. Then I will repeat the same thing on the other sleeve as well. Okay, so this is it. I'm busy stitching down like this. Can you see? I stitch round the armhole. You can see the sleeve is inside, right side facing. Then I stitch on the wrong side of the wrap top together with the sleeves. So this is it. I'm almost done with sewing. Okay, so this is it. I'm done sewing. I remove out my pins. As you can see, I remove out my pins. I remove out my pins like this. Then I cut out my thread. This is it. Can you see? Then I turn it outside like this, right side facing me. Can you see? This is the sleeve, and this is the another sleeve. This is it. I'm trying to arrange it. Okay, so this is it. This is the wrap top. This is the sleeves. If today is your first time on this channel, kindly do well to subscribe. Okay, so this is the wrap top and this is the belt. Okay, so I'm going to show you where you need to pass your belt. Okay, so this is it, and this is the wall where you will pass your belt. You can do 1 inch or 1.5 inches, depend of the size of the belt. Can you see? I pass out my belt. I pass the belt inside like this. Can you see? And arrange it nice. This is it. The two sleeves, you can see it's almost the same thing. One is pleat and another one is gathers. Then you will tie it on the side or even on the back side. Can you see how beautiful it is? Can you see how beautiful it is? The inside is neat. Okay, so this is it. This is the sleeve. One is for pleats and another one is gathers. Almost the same thing and give the same result, which is balloon sleeve. Thank you for watching. Still Esther Fashion and Service.